This video will be on the line command for AutoCAD. It can be found in the Home tab of the ribbon above. Select the command. Left click your starting point. Drag your cursor in any direction and left click to create line segment. You can continue left clicking to create multiple segments. You can also type in the known dimension. So say I wanted to create this line 6 inches long at 30 degrees. The blue is highlighted, so I would type in 6, use the tab key, and now type in 30 degrees, press enter. And I can also continue on from that, and when finished, right click or escape. Now if I go back and measure, you can see I have 6 inches. It should be 30 degrees. Another way to use the command in addition to the ribbon is through the command line. It can be found at the bottom. You don't actually need to click within the box. You can be anywhere in the screen here, and the command for line is L. So type in L, enter, and start the command. Works exactly the same as the ribbon. Some other options to use with the command in addition are polar and ortho. I'll show you polar first, or I'll show you ortho first. Ortho snaps you at 90-degree increments. So if I start the command, you can see as I move the cursor, it's not giving me an angle. It's stuck within these 90 degrees. This is great for when you need to draw something that has to be straight, like for example, like a floor. So if I take that command off and I try to draw a line, and as straight as I think this is, it actually is not straight. The other one that I use more often than ortho is polar. And these commands can also be used with the shortcut key shown here. Ortho would be F8, polar is F10. So I'm going to hit the F10 key. Polar lets you set angles. It doesn't restrict you to 90-degree increments like ortho does. I can still draw any angle I want and specify. I can specify different angles and it works just like as if I didn't have the command on, but now I have snaps at desired angles like 45, 90. I have the increments of that set. Makes it much easier. I believe that covers all the basic functions of the line command.